Welcome to the spoken tutorial on exception handling in C++. In this tutorial we will learn exception handling. We will do this with the help of an example. To record this tutorial I am using Ubuntu operating system version 11.10, G++ compiler version 4.6.1. Let us start with an introduction to exception. An exception is a problem that arises during the execution of a program. It is a runtime error that a program may detect. Let us move on to exception handling. The response given to the problems occurred during the execution of the program is known as exception handling. Exception handling allows program to continue execution. It helps identifying the problem and terminates the program in a controlled manner. Let us see the types of exceptions: try, catch, and throw. We place the error-prone code inside a try block. Then it is handled using throw. After this, the exception is caught using the catch statement, and then it is processed. The syntax for try, catch, and throw is throw, the try block, and the catch block. Here we pass argument. The throw statement can be written inside the try block as well. We can have more than one try-catch blocks. Now let us see an example on exception handling. I have the code. I will open it. Note that our file name is exception.cpp. In this program, we will solve the divide by zero error using exception handling. Let us go through the code. This is our header file as iostream. Here we are using the std namespace. Here we have function division with arguments as int a and int b. Then we check whether b is equals to 0. If true, we throw an exception division by 0 condition. The function returns division of a and b. This is our main function. In this we have declared integer variables as x and y and a double variable as z. Here we accept the value of x and y. This is our try block. Here we have called the function division and stored the result in z. Then we print the value of z. This is our catch block. In this, we pass an argument message as a character constant. Then we print the message. And this is our return statement. Now let us execute the program. Open the terminal window by pressing Ctrl, Alt and T keys simultaneously on your keyboard. To compile, type g++ space exception .cpp space -o space ex. Press enter. Type ./ex. Press enter. Enter value of x and y. I will give as 3 and 0. The output is displayed as division by 0 condition. Let us compile again. Press the up arrow key twice. Press enter. Again press the up arrow key twice. Enter value of x and y. I will give as 8 and 2. The output is 4. This is how the try, catch and throw block works. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us come back to our slides. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have seen exception handling, try, catch and throw blocks. As an assignment, display the age of employees. Throw an exception to check that the age is not less than 15. Watch the video available at the link shown below. It summarizes the spoken tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using spoken tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the link shown below. This is Ashwini Patil from IIT Bombay, signing off. Thank you for joining.